Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the retro 1980s AI filter effect in CapCut. So in here, you can just click on new project and then add a photos that you want to use as the to apply the AI filter. So let's say I'm going to use this one's right here. Click on add, and now click on the photo and you can just go to style, then click on the AI photo category, and in here swipe until you find the 80s glamour photo style. Click on that and wait for it to apply to your photos, and this is the result. So that's how it is. You can easily use the retro 1980s AI filter effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.